We have Shaira Asif from City English School to deliver her speech.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We all have heard a good start is half the job done. Imagine a healthy and energetic child full of dreams stepping into a school for the first time. And imagine another child, timid, weak, malnourished, with stooped shoulders. The difference between them isn't only of health and spirit, it is success versus failure. The difference between them is that of a healthy and unhealthy beginning. Dear students, respected Ma'am Sadia Rachid, President Hamdard Foundation Pakistan, dear teachers and distinguished guests, Assalamu alaikum. Today, I, Shaira Asif from City English School System Rawalpindi, stand before you to speak on a truth so powerful that it shaped the destiny of nation. Healthy beginning, hopeful future. Health is not just about the absence of disease. It is about strength and resilience. And more importantly, it nurtures the power to turn dreams into reality. Islam has always emphasized the importance of health. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Ask Allah for health and certainty, for no one is given anything better after faith than one's well-being." But let's bring this closer to home. In Pakistan, millions of children suffer from malnutrition. According to UNICEF, 4 out of 10 children in our country are stunned due to poor nutrition. Let me relate here. We all have heard much about defense of our motherland, but let's not forget that the motherland defense begins with a healthy nation. Hence, a healthy beginning is not just about personal choice, it is a national responsibility. And to secure a hopeful future, Mr. President, we must take 3 decisive steps. Step 1, Mr. President, is prioritizing nutrition. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam encouraged the consumption of plain organic diet like dates, honey, milk, and food that are scientifically proven to boost immunity and strength. Let me add here hurriedly. Quran mentioned the word Shifa for honey and Quran itself. But Mr. President, look at the irony. Pakistan, which claims to be an agriculture country, finds it difficult to provide for its population, and malnourished youth can never transform into a respectable and successful nation. And step 2, Mr. President, is promoting physical activity. The Quran says in Surah Anfal, "And make ready against them all you can of power." This verse emphasizes strength and preparedness. Unfortunately, modern day mobile mania and our national neglect to provide for youth's physical activities in our society and especially at our schools is a bad omen for our future. Let's recall, a healthy body keeps a healthy mind. We need to promote physical activity for a secure future for the nation and Pakistan. And the last step, Mr. President, is ensuring mental well-being. Health is part being positive, productive, and mindful societies, including developed societies, today suffer from depression and anxiety. There are some countries with highest societal deaths among their students. We, with our scanty resources, can't match provide for such complex ailments. Hence, it becomes imperative to ensure that we cultivate positivity amongst our youth and students. From the beginning, we are very lucky to have Islam and Eastern values at the core of our social fiber, which guarantee mental peace and harmony, like the holy month of Ramadan, which teaches taqwa and patience. Positive and productive youth are guaranteed to have mental well-being for themselves, their families, and societies. Mr. President, Pakistan's future is not being shaped in some isolated, remote space. It is here today, in this hall, here in our minds, with us. Remember the famous adage, the key to 99 is one. How each one of us think and act will make the future of Pakistan. Because at the end of the day, every prophet, every legend, and every leader was a child who was brought up to be strong, wise, and hardworking. Let's build a strong, wise, and hardworking Pakistan because a healthy beginning is a guarantee of a hopeful future. Inshallah, Pakistan Zindabad.